how to insert degree symbol in Excel. Let's get started. We can insert the degree symbol through the symbol button, and that's the first way we'll talk about today. Let's say that in the header of this table, you want to include the word temperature along with the information that the figures here are in degrees Celsius. To do that, click on the target cell, then go to the Insert tab, and click on Symbols. You'll see a window where you can set the font used. We're using Franklin Gothic Medium, so we'll keep it there and scroll down a little to find the degree symbol. Click on it, press Insert, and that's all it takes. We can close the window and add a capital C right after to mark Celsius. And here comes the second way to insert the degree symbol. Let's select all the cells that will contain the numbers, then right-click and select Format Cells. Here, we'll see a window where we choose the category Custom. And now, we need to select the type where we specify the number of decimals to display in the values. For instance, if we want to show 2 decimal places, we type in 0, then a full stop, and after that, we need to add 2 more zeros. In this case, we want only whole numbers, so we'll just leave a 0 in the type field. However, we need to add a degree symbol, and to do this, press and hold the Alt key, and at the same time, type 0176 on the numeric keypad. In case you forget the hotkey combination, you can still use the good old copy and paste way and copy the degree symbol from another place where you have it already. Let's close the window and copy the symbol from the header. So here we go. Control key and C. Now we open the Formatting Cells window and paste it with Control and V into the type field. Once the formatting is finished, press OK. Now you can populate the cells with numbers and figures, and the degree symbol automatically appears right next to them.